Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, update the console, set correct time and date, and make sure your Microsoft account region matches where you are. Once done, sign out then sign back in to force a region sync. If your region blocks Xbox Live, prepare a VPN solution on a router or PC to route console traffic. This bypasses geo-blocks. Keep your account billing address consistent because service checks rely on both account and network location. That prevents future rejections. Now configure network routing so the console appears in a supported region. You create a router-based VPN or share a VPN-enabled PC connection. Pick a server located in a country where Xbox Live is available and prioritize low latency. Assign a static IP to the console so NAT stays stable, then forward Xbox ports, including 88 and 3074 UDP, add TCP if required. Once configured, reboot router and console. Make sure finish by testing sign-in, store access, and multiplayer. Run the network diagnostics on the console. If services still show region unavailable, clear persistent storage and retry sign-in, then switch VPN server or enable split tunneling so authentication goes through a supported region while local services remain native. If things go wrong, the single most important troubleshooting step is to recheck your Microsoft account region and payment method. Mismatches are the most common failure cause and will reblock Xbox Live until corrected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.